Hello, darlings. I am just enjoying the immense, infinite and spectacular views right here of the Mediterranean Sea as I'm about to show you what is undisputably what I would call a visionary's home. Here we are today in the beautiful, gorgeous, charming and artistic town of Altea, and I have a unique property to show you, a triplex which offers 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms and on 3 floors. It not only just does that though, it is actually a property that is 465 square metres as the plot, the villa itself 265 square metres and over 200 square metres of outdoor terraces and living space. I can't wait to get stuck in to this home that represents culture and history. After all, it was a property that used to belong to the Ministry of Industry for Franco himself. So we will see what we can see. Let's start the tour, shall we? Along these whitewashed buildings of a street, you get to see the beautiful architectural design of this building, and also this would be one of the entry points to enter the property itself. But can I just tell you that the location of where we are in Altea is fantastic. Everything within walking distance. Let's imagine you don't want to just look at the sea from your beautiful terrace, but you want to actually say, let's just walk there. This would be the route that you would take, and you would get there in a matter of moments. But what's wonderful about Altea as well is you have fantastic recreational activities. You also have on your doorstep artisanal shops, boutiques, restaurants, cafes, everything you could possibly find within reach. What's wonderful about it as well is if you wanted to get to Altea's Old Town, it's only a 15-minute walk. But look at where we arrive. The paradise of the sea and the beaches that follow, all within walking distance. As I come in through the front door, I am met with rustic charm on entry, as we have these beautiful, beautiful, well cared for traditional Mediterranean tiled flooring and an entry hall that is spacious as well. It leads us really nicely into the main living area of the ground floor, which comprises of its open plan dining room and living room. This space here has a ceiling height of 2.5 metres, which is maintained throughout the ground floor, as well as the space itself being 45 square metres. It gives you these beautiful sense of rustic space that you can really enjoy as a family room. You have here an open fire, which is like the central focal point of the room, and more inspired lighting that fills the home. What I really like about this space as well, outside of this just impeccable tiling, is the fact that as you come into the expanse of the living area, where the extension of the lounge is, you also have patio doors that lead out onto the terrace. But it doesn't just stop there. If you come over to this side, you really get to see the large and spacious dimensions of the living spaces and how you can have all these interesting living spaces to add to what you already may have as standard. Here on this side, you have another living area, and this living area here is 25 square metres. As you can see, this is an area that they use to have store a lot of their things. I mean, let's face it, a family with incredible amount of history behind them, I can only imagine. This is the door that leads to a convenient guest bathroom, which is fully equipped. And as I come down into this space even more, you can see where this is the workshop or workspace that they used to use. It actually does have a room here that is within the curve of the walls, and the actual space in this section also is 26 square metres with its own front door as well for comfortable entry. So coming back out of this space, I'm now going to take you into what is the mudroom and also another guest bathroom. I do love the traditional feel that these Moorish-inspired doors that lead to all of these rooms give you, and you will see that as we go and explore the house some more. Taking you across this way and back into the living space, I am now going to take you from the entry hall to where you will find the separate kitchen. So as I go into the separate kitchen, you'll find it feels very traditionally comfortable, where you can imagine lots of great recipes are being made. You have your refrigerator on one side, as well as your oven, cabinetry that runs throughout. You also have your dishwasher, your gas hob, a very convenient pantry behind this cupboard, and an extension of your counter space that also acts as well as a breakfast bar. What's nice about the kitchen is it gives you, again, that lovely Mediterranean earthy feel, but you also do have a window that gives you views of the front, where the street actually that this is actually leading from is really quite pretty. So now I'm going to take you along the way and show you the gorgeous expanse of terraces and gardens that you can appreciate on this level pretty much most of the year. After all, we are in a great location if you want sunny, warm climate to spend outdoors most of the year. This terrace is really also a unique feature that comes with this property, in the sense that you have this roofed lounging or additional dining space. You have a spacious terracotta stone terrace that gives you a lush sense of being really intimately in your gardens, but then all the while taking in the spectacular first-line views of the Mediterranean Sea, the Bay of Altea and beyond. It's just incredible. You have even a pathway that the family have used in previous years to get down to the very, very, very edge of the shoreline there by the sea. Wonderful. On this side, though, however, you have a continuation of your terraces, and you also even have a separate roofed area that is a space to dine six if you're wanting to eat outdoors al fresco. Next to that, you also then have your outdoor barbecue and kitchen space, which also has additional storage, and you also have a door that takes you out to the street. Coming up the stairs to the first floor, and this floor has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters, but look at this hallway landing space. They've decided to use it as a study nook, even a place to read and relax, which I love. The space here in itself is actually 27 square metres, and all of the bedrooms and rooms lead off from this area. So first of all, we're going to go this way. I'm going to take you through to the primary suite. The primary is really just as quintessentially Mediterranean as the rest, with this interesting Mediterranean tile flooring. To the right, you have, through rustic doors, a fully equipped ensuite bathroom. On this side, you also have a wall of integrated wardrobes, and then it leads to the sunlit space that is the bedroom. Altogether, it is 27 square metres, and I love how it's got patio doors that lead out onto its own private terrace, where you can continue to enjoy the lapping sounds of the sea, everybody. What a great place to have Also, your mid-morning coffee. So taking you from the primary suite, we're going to go through back into the hall where we started. Taking you along the way and into a very traditional looking bathroom. This is the main bathroom for this floor. As you can see, it's fully equipped, light and bright, and very inviting. Next to it, for ease, you also have the second bedroom. This bedroom, they currently have set for 2 single beds, but it could quite easily fit 1. It is 17 square metres, and again has the charm with the patio doors that lead out onto its own private balcony, as well as on the other side, your integrated wardrobes. On this floor, the ceiling height is also 2.5 metres. Interestingly, on this floor, the first floor, there is also a door that leads to a separate guest apartment. So as I take you through the door, you come into the entry area here, and this space in itself is 11 square metres. It is actually a great way to enter the actual space and takes you directly through along the hall towards the living space. First of all, I'm going to take you into the fully equipped main bathroom for the apartment. You also have its own front door as well as your own intercom. And as you go along the hall some more, you will find that there is a fully equipped kitchen, and it comprises of everything in terms of appliances as well as your washing machine. And then it comes into the main living area of the apartment. Here we have a combination of an open plan living room and dining room. The dining room is set to dine 4, and the living room has patio doors that lead out again onto a private terrace where you can dine, have your breakfast, just relax and enjoy the serenity of where we are located. So coming back into the living space in the guest apartment, I'm going to take you along the way again, through past the hall. That living room that we just passed was 22 square metres, and this also leads onto the other side to the bedroom. This bedroom would be another space that could be used as a bedroom or an office, depending, and offers 14 square metres. Taking you up the stairs to the upper floor, and this is a real treat. This is a place where you can find even more bedrooms and spaces for the family to enjoy, whilst also interesting tiles. So as I'm taking you through now, I'm going to take you to the first bedroom on this floor. This bedroom is 14 square metres. It is light, bright and inviting. It has on one side your patio doors that open and allow you access to a private balcony. You also have integrated wardrobes, and then what you find with this upper floor space is that lots of natural light come in, as it is all surrounded by a central courtyard terrace, which I do really like. Taking you along the hall, you also find that it has a main bathroom, which is fully equipped. And on the other side, you also then have another guest bedroom. This bedroom offers 14 square metres, and the ceiling height on this floor is 3.4 metres. If you're wondering where the front door was for the guest apartment, this would be the entry point. You have the front door for the apartment here and also the elevator here. Now I'm going to take you to where the garage is. Here we are in the garage, which is where you would park the vehicle comfortably, but you actually with this property get 2 parking spaces that come along with. Enjoying the fantastic view of this beautiful beach, Cap Negret, I'm going to be giving you the nitty-gritty. As a few determining factors have not been decided with the property, the finer details are going to be on our description on our website, which will be the EB, the property tax, also the community fee, the refuse, and also the specifications that are included with the home. You can find that on spainhomes.estate. My name's Nakima. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe, and I will see you next time. Hasta pronto!